Anything about this? even when they could be videos back. So that's how also could do and you hear the land now move. Yeah,
sit down and share poetry, and it really tear you apart. Because I know there are my heroes. Some nursing homes took pre-recorded ceremonies to reference to honor them. So your celebrations this year will be more individual in nature because you can't have the group or a congregate say. But even with the distance, some people want veterans to know the gospel support. But we're there in spirit, we're there in heart, we're there in purpose. In Alexander City, Greenhouse Farm representing that usually high. Well, there's special and some nursing homes are allowing in-person visits if they can follow CDC guidelines. From your Storm Team 9 alerts and WTVM TV meteorologist Derek Kincaid. I'm driving from yeah, it's right for some. Yeah, right. Really. As we look ahead, forecast for what's going to happen as we look at the set for the next few days. That rain changes moving out, and we have those cooler temperatures getting ready to move back in going into next week. So the clouds will be out of here at some point late tonight into the day tomorrow. Upper 70s and lower 80s, stack of highs, low Friday. That will be a 60 weekend. Yeah, I'll be careful. Expect it for Saturday and Sunday. To the forecast here in the coming days, we're certain now we get the rain changes out of there for you on Saturday and Sunday. Dry weather expected this weekend, slightly cooler weather too, with morning lows coming up Saturday and Sunday. Next week will get even cooler. We'll see that for the 9-day forecast. Dry practice and rain for you. Had some showers over East Alabama earlier. Those have broken up a good bit. But the rain still going strong southeast of Columbus, raining heavily now around Americus, Ellenville being some wet weather, Preston, Richmond, rain about some rain Columbia. Now remember, this is moving in this general direction. So if you live in Vista, if you live in Chattanooga County, Cedar, more rain. If you live around Lumpkin, heads up, more rain is on the way for you here pretty soon. All of this thanks to Ada. It's a tropical storm to our south. You see that swell there, the clouds and rain. And now some good agreement about what is going to happen with the system finally. It's moving east, and then it'll move off the east coast. As that happens, our weather will start to improve around here. Until then, we're still going to deal with a cloudy sky tonight. Cloudy skies likely early on tomorrow morning, Thursday morning for us, but the rain should be just out of the picture tomorrow and be moving out. It's going to be tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. The weather looks good for high school football games tomorrow night, and the weather looks great for high school football games on Friday night. Expecting a lot of sunshine after some early morning fog on Friday. So these are going to be good ways to end the week and get ready to head on into the weekend. Temperature tonight still warm and still muggy. It's a low of mid-70s showing up last century. Here's the latest on Ada. That's still once again moving quickly to the northeast here in the coming days, causing some improvements to our weather. We're also still watching Ada way out there in the bank, and this could become a high over the Caribbean. An east storm tracking out to the west that is not expected to be a threat to the United States. Tonight, low temperatures in the 60s, so skies will stay mostly cloudy for us. But later on tonight, 64 with rain, so 70 under this. Have a few more late sectors, so that feels south. The highs touching the 80-degree mark again tomorrow. Routine warm by the afternoon, the clouds moving out over the next 9 days. Check out the cool down next week. Highs in the 60s. Overnight lows by next week down in the 30s. Tuesday morning, typically this morning, put it up. All right. Thank you. Even though the next president will be Raphael Warnock eats pizza with a fork and knife. Raphael Warnock once stepped on a crack in the sidewalk. Raphael Warnock even hates puppies.
Get ready, Georgia. The naked ass are coming. Kelly Loeffler doesn't want to talk about why she's getting rid of healthcare in the middle of a pandemic. So she's going to try and scare you with lies about me. I'm Raphael Warnock, and I approve this message because I'm staying focused on what Washington produced for you. And by the way, I love puppies.
Celebrate their 25th anniversary. Just to Punk 54. Coverage you can count on. This is News 89 at 7 on Fox 54.
A Columbus native is on the ballot to represent the state on the Public Service Commission. A runoff is set for January 5th. The 5-2 board's goal is to ensure residents of the state reliable and reasonably priced utilities such as electric and internet. Daniel Blackman, who is however had a really big month today, said Oregon's 85th highest rates in the United States. You can find out more about Blackman's goals this week online at WCNews.com. Georgia is going to do a recount, even as Joe Biden's lead over President Trump continues to grow, and set by more than 14,000 votes. But today, Republican Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger said that it was too close to call.
Oregon made some requests. We will require a full blind-hand recount in each county. This will help build confidence. It will be an audit, a recount, and recanvass. It will be a heavy lift, but we will work with the counties to get this done in time for state certification.
State's deadline to certify election results is November 20th. The recount announcement comes from this intensifying battle in Georgia for 2 U.S. Senate seats, and Republicans in both of those races call for Raffensperger to step down on Monday to keep honor. Coming up is now a strong catch-up for area SEC teams. They have the details coming up next in sports.
Ashley Home Store's Black Friday sale starts now. Get early access to Black Friday deals throughout the store. Shop now and get up to 50% off. Or get 0% interest for up to 6 whole years. The best Black Friday furniture deals are only available for a limited time. Shop online or visit America's #1 record store today. Ashley Home Store, exit 18 off I-85 in the range. This is home. It's sharing trouble. It's actively. It's prolonged. It's exploring new ground. It's one that things down. Make it your own and you'll every month sharing trouble. $4,500 cash allowance for home and solar and protected and so on. And trouble. $1,000 accessory allowance. It's purchased.
But no, he has land.